Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a drinking glass out of a jar. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this tutorial instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a very simple jar, and I'm going to show you how to turn this into a drinking glass. It is really easy to do, okay? Now, my mom makes my wife and I, and our kids, obviously, my wife and I have 4 kids together. So my mom makes myself, my wife, and our 4 kids. So my mom makes our family, my family, sauce, pasta sauce all the time, and little things that we can use as part of our dinner and to season stuff. So she gives us lots of jars, okay? And I pulled this one out, and I was like, I'll use this for a tutorial video, and I'll turn it into a drinking glass. So Mom, if you're by any chance watching this, but you're probably not, if you're by any chance watching this, thank you very much for the video prop. I'm going to use it, and don't worry, I'm going to return it back to you very soon. All right, so what you're going to do is very simple. You're going to get your jar, you're going to remove the top like this. So this is like the spinny part. I don't know what it's called. Call it the outer ring. Okay, you're going to remove that. I'm going to place it over there. You're also going to remove this cap over here, just like that. Okay, place it over there. You now have an open jar. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to get some water. So I have my water mug over here. Okay, I'm going to just pour some water in here. You can use, obviously you can use your faucet, your tap, whatever the case is, or a water bottle. I'm going to pour some water into here. Hopefully I don't spill it on myself. Just like that. All right, so now we have water inside of a jar. And when we have the water inside of the jar, guess what? Our jar has now been turned into a drinking glass. It is literally that simple. That's great water. I feel hydrated already. That is how to turn your jar into a drinking glass. It's actually that simple. It's that simple. That's how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial video. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I have nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.